Tips for quickly and easily cleaning wheels and tires. Detailing Phoenix. A good tip to remember is to use a car shampoo or degreaser to help remove any dirt that might be on your wheels. If your wheels are covered in brake dust, try a dust remover as well. You may also want to dress the tires using a car shampoo or degreaser. If you want to clean your wheels and tires quickly and easily, you'll need to use a car shampoo or degreaser. These products work by eating away at the dirt and brake dust that build up on them. Choosing the right product for your wheels will ensure that they keep looking great for years to come. Keep in mind that some chemicals may damage your tires. For best results, make sure you read the manufacturer's instructions. Use a soft bristle brush to scrub your wheels. Avoid scrubbing too early. It's best to clean the wheels one at a time. This will help to prevent the grime from splashing on other areas of the vehicle. You can also try a water-based tire dressing. However, if your wheel has a ceramic coating, you'll need to choose a wax-free shampoo. If you have a wheel made of chrome, you'll need to use a more powerful wash. Using a high-pressure washer can remove dirt and debris that's too stubborn for a brush. After you've finished washing your car, make sure to rinse off the wheels and tires. Washing them with the same cleaner you used on the rest of the vehicle can leave a chemical smell. Once your wheels and tires are cleaned, you should dry them thoroughly. This prevents water spots and helps to prevent the buildup of brake dust. To dry the tires, use a terry cloth towel. Some people think that they can wash their wheels in just 30 minutes. In fact, it takes a lot of time and care to properly clean your car's wheels and tires. The first step is to decide how to do it. Many products require you to agitate the product with a wheel cleaning brush. There are also spray-on chemicals that can be applied directly to the tire. Before applying the chemicals, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Some of the best products for cleaning your wheels are Meguiar's Tire Gel and Wolfgang Tire and Wheel Cleaner. Depending on the brand, these products can last for up to a month or two. Using a wheel cleaner. There are several types of wheel cleaners available on the market. Knowing which products to use will help to keep your wheels looking their best for years to come. However, you must be careful with your selection. Using a good quality wheel cleaner will remove dirt and contaminants from your tires. This is important to keep your tires in pristine condition, but it's not the only reason to clean your car's wheels. They also make a great part of the overall look of your vehicle. Cleaning and maintaining your wheels can extend the life of your tires and protect your vehicle's finish. A soap-based wheel cleaner is the safest type, as it's formulated to break down road grime and brake dust. This type of cleaner isn't always the easiest to apply, however, so you'll need a dedicated brush to make the job easier. You should also be careful with using a wheel cleaner that uses bleach. While this may remove grease and grime, it can also cause damage to powder-coated and painted wheels. For best results, you'll want to test a wheel cleaner out on an inconspicuous section of your wheels before applying it to the rest of your vehicle.